Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market today in crypto, Bitcoin. Before we jump into this, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 4 days. In order to have a chance to win $500 in Bitcoin, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel. There's a ton of people that watch this channel every day, and they just haven't subscribed yet. Subscribe to the channel for a chance to win $500 in Bitcoin. Like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. I'm going to choose a random comment over a 7-day period for $500 Bitcoin giveaway. Bitcoin daily chart, again, very bullish. You see Bitcoin put in this high, this low. This is a higher high. Potentially we're going to put in a higher low, looking for $67,000 to $70,000 Bitcoin for the next swing high, the next run. Okay, this is kind of like planting a garden or planting trees. You're planting seeds right now. Like, you're buying these coins when they don't look amazing, right? That's what gives us the leg up over the herd. The herd right now, they don't want anything to do with buying any of this stuff because it's all down, right? This is the best time to buy. Just think of it. I'm going to plant these seeds. Yeah, you might not get a tree tomorrow, but you give it a month and just watch your crops grow. And then we're going to harvest. We're going to harvest at the next swing high. Plant your seeds. Plant your seeds. This is a Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Bulls need to hold this level. About 47,300, maybe a little bit lower than here, about 4,600 even, if this level does break. I mean, essentially, you could be setting up for an inverse head and shoulders if it does pull back more. If it comes back all the way down here, you could set up for a double bottom. Those are some reversal ideas. Now, we get a few more touches in here and it becomes a descending triangle, look for a break lower, we might get that opportunity to pick up $39,000 Bitcoin. Right, and then this becomes a bullish pennant or bullish flag, 68% chance breaks to the upside, and then the move to $70,000 Bitcoin. The Bitcoin 1-hour chart earlier today, Bitcoin confirmed this head and shoulders break to the downside. Now at this point, this support level is holding. Okay, you do have, this is only the hourly time frame, but you do have some bearish crosses coming. It's real important. I'd like to see the bulls hold this key support level down here about 46,000. But a break lower, you could end up back down here at 43,000. A bounce there would make this double bottom like we talked about. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person stated, I joined your group a few weeks ago. I made back what it cost to join the group, and my portfolio has increased tremendously in a few weeks. Life-changing money, he said. Exactly. That's what it's all about. Shout out to Tom. He said my portfolio was down 30% before I started watching your videos. Now I'm up 150%. Great to see these results. Shout out to Ryan. He said I'm up 300% in the past 48 hours. This person, Chelsea, shout out to Chelsea. She's doubled and tripled a lot of her holdings. Because remember, the bottom line is this. If you aren't making a tremendous amount of money right now, this is the bull market. This is a bull run. Everybody should be killing it. If you're not making a ton of money, I can help you. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime. You don't want to look back in a year and be like, well, I could have made a lot more, but maybe I didn't take profits at the right time, or I didn't. Like, if you're getting hit by these pullbacks and you need to learn how to take some profits off the table, I can show you all this. I'm looking to help people 3x and 5x their portfolios over the next few months. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. So this is the top gainers on Binance earlier. ENJ and CRV, two of the top gainers, the top two gainers, and I had both of these setups posted in the trading group. You can buy the breakout right here. Nice cup and handle. Guess what happens? Rounded bottoms, pay the bills, 33% profits in a day, like 33%. Boom. There you go. Binance is going to list Badger, DAO. It's in the innovation zone. And so definitely recommend you use Binance. The Binance International links in the description. You can use PureVPN if you're in the United States. No problems there. Badger DAO is focusing on bringing Bitcoin to DeFi. Badger's DAO debut products include SET, which is a yield aggregator, and DIG, a Bitcoin-pegged elastic supply currency. But what I want to do is go over this Badger setup real quick for you. And so yesterday, I was talking about it in the trading group, and it looks solid. It's getting added to Binance, and there's always a pump factor that happens. So you got to wait for that to cool off. But, I mean, if you look, you had this run-up, which, I mean, was tremendous. Then you had this pullback to the 618, which is the golden pocket, golden retrace, and then a bounce. Okay, so now there's hidden bullish divergence possible on the RSI. So what this does is it occurs in an uptrend, and it means it's an idea of continuation. So this is confirmed. You see continuation to the upside based on this idea. Got a possible bullish MACD cross. Your histogram, your negative momentum is decreasing. So this is starting to flip positive, and your stochastic RSI is headed higher. So on a daily time frame, there's a lot of upside potential here for Badger. But what you want to do is zoom in. This is the Badger BTC 5-minute chart. There's just not a whole lot of price action, right? The idea is to buy a breakout of this level, and it's all over the place. So we'll move it up here just a little bit. This is the type of thing where if it does break out and go higher, I mean, essentially you're buying the breakout. If it breaks down and continues lower, you just skip it, right? So it's high risk. It's just one of those coins I want you to pay attention to. I think at some point you're going to see some strength out of this coin going forward. There's been a lot of hype about it. I went over this setup with you guys, CHZ USDT, right? On February the 10th, a couple weeks ago, 17,500 people saw this. You guys remember this? Anybody? Anyone? And I went over all this news with you guys, right? CHZ, the fan tokens, a new fan token. They've got a mainnet launch coming, all kinds of news. Just to focus on this news, the news that moves the market. So I go over it with you guys. This is important news. This is before mainstream picks it up. You got to find the news before mainstream picks it up. Then Binance came out. They're going to list this new fan token for CHZ. Right, so CHZ, the current news is CHZ is opening up an office in New York to start working with U.S. leagues and sports franchises. Very bullish idea. Now, this is CHZ up 127% in 3 weeks. In trading group, I said, hey, don't miss this one. Set your alerts, ENJ USDT. Engine, like they talked to you about, one of the top gainers on Binance, 24% profits. Ethereum is now available on Amazon's blockchain service. So, I mean, Ethereum, Amazon, big names. Let's go. Kava Labs, Kava 5 mainnet launches in 2 days. Pretty cool to see this. Buy an apartment in Dubai from 4 Bitcoin. Let's go. Moving to Dubai. So this is Gary Gensler. He's a former CFTC chairman. He's nominated to be Joe Biden's lead to the SEC. And he's basically saying, hey, that cryptocurrencies have been a catalyst for change. So, again, it'd be great to get some powers that be in place that support cryptocurrency. Binance is going to support the Filecoin and the Kava network upgrade and hard fork. Binance, Smart Chain, and Dusk have a partnership. Dusk is entering the DeFi ecosystem to build cross-chain financial infrastructures. Mainnet 2 pre-launch event is happening on March the 5th, right? So there's a live AMA talking about this idea. Mainnet 2 Adam's got a good setup right now. It looks like it might form on the BTC pair, it might form a cup and handle, so that's one to check out. Gaming giant Ubisoft partners with Ethereum-based NFT platform So Rare. So these NFTs, man, they've really taken off. It's pretty amazing to see. I mean, a lot of people say, hey, this is a crazy bubble, but Twitter announces a $1.25 billion convertible notes offering. Everybody thinks this could be for Bitcoin. Is Jack Dorsey going to load up Bitcoin on Twitter's balance sheet? Huge. That's the potential here. Who's next? That's my question. Stellar Horizon 2.0 update is coming. XLM needs some news. The money printer machine is still going. 400 million USDT worth of Tether were printed. This has been bullish for Bitcoin over time. Doesn't mean, hey, there's going to be an immediate pump tomorrow, but definitely bullish when all this new money is coming into the market. This is one coin and one setup I really want you to focus on over the next month, potentially 2 months. Okay. So this is the Theta Mainnet 3.0 launch. It's coming in April on the 21st. Right, so keep an eye, write this down, right? You got T-Fuel staking and uptime mining, right? So keep an eye on Theta. I'm going to give you guys a setup in just a second. Then this comes out. Sony will validate network transactions on Theta's proof of stake consensus protocol. Sony, validate network transactions on Theta. So listen, this is the Theta setup. Let's go. I gave you guys this previously. It's just been a waiting game. As far as you get all these rounded bottoms that pay the bills over and over again, like there's a tremendous amount of upside. You do not want to. I mean, it's really because some volume came in and it's just waiting to take off, right? I mean, you're going to buy the breakout of this level. You got, you could see 10,500 Satoshi Theta. You can see Ethereum broke out and it's kind of rolled over. You want to see Ethereum put in a bounce here. If it's able to do that, you might be looking at some type of inverse head and shoulders pattern, potentially, with like shoulder, head, shoulder. If it comes back down and bounces here, double bottom, if it breaks below that, you're looking at some more downside. Litecoin, the best entry is going to be an aggressive buy in this trend line. Like you can go back here and Litecoin's been bouncing off this trend line, right? And so just remember this altcoin market, the way it works, you get a swing high. Litecoin ran up to 184 and then a swing low. You got the opportunity to buy it at 128, and then this high is higher than the previous high at 242, right? Okay, now this low, if you get this low is not going to be as low as this previous low. Buyers are going to pay a higher price for it. If you do get this move down here to 160, I think this next higher high could be 300. Okay, so I mean, if you're able to pick this up, you got 100% profit potential out of Litecoin on this pullback. You just got to be patient. Like these large caps don't perform as well as the small caps do. I mean, you're not getting 40 and 50% gains out of Litecoin in a day. Rarely, if ever. ANKR is going to be good. ANKR's got some news that's come out dealing with Binance Smart Chain and staking Ethereum. And ANKR, this is a very bullish setup. I mean, you got this uptrend, right? And then it's basically prices being compressed right here. You're going to buy the breakout of this level. There's some upside here. I mean, you could see 50% gains out of ANKR after this breakout. And this is not like, hey, I want you guys to be day traders, right? This after they break out, just be patient. Be patient. Let these coins develop. PayPal comes out. They're going to buy a crypto custody firm. They're looking at paying as much as $500 million for. Gosh, it's crazy. I remember when PayPal jumped right into the market. Now Twitter potentially, MicroStrategy, Tesla, like all the big names are jumping right into the market. It's going to continue. Like that's the paradigm shift that a lot of people didn't see coming. We thought these investment companies would be able to, offer Bitcoin to their clients, but the game changed because all these institutions are adding Bitcoin to their balance sheet, to their cash holdings. It's a store of value. I was listening to Mark Cuban, billionaire, talk about just the revelation he's had just about Bitcoin, because he used to be kind of anti-Bitcoin because he didn't see it as a way to pay for things. But he's definitely sold on it as a store of value. And I think I could agree with that. You know, he talked about Lightning Network, and that may not even work out. And it's not really even about that. You can just see that these institutions are jumping on board as, you know, the store of value. You know, if fiat's printed endlessly, there's a finite supply of Bitcoin, period. Let's go. Moon Edition. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.